Now, a lot of athletic fans are doubting Elaine Thomson Herah victory and glory in Paris Olympic 2024. But guess what? Those people have forgotten about. They have forgotten that Elaine Thomson Herah is that Olympic girl. They have forgotten that Elaine Thomson Herah owns the Olympic. She knows how to ride the Olympic so much that the Olympic Games has become her favorite sport and championship. Forget about what athletic, but just make sure that when it comes to Olympics, Elaine Thomson Herah knows how to play the game very well. In fact, she is a double Olympic champion and also the fastest woman in the 100-meter and also the former fastest woman alive in the 200-meter. The scariest part about Elaine Thomson Herah is that recently she changed her coach from Oshini Osborne to the coach that is coaching Shelley and Fraser-Pryce, and definitely you know what it means, because Shelley and Fraser-Pryce is a very amazing athlete, and imagine the coach coaching Shelley and Fraser-Pryce at the same time coaching Elaine Thomson Herah. Definitely you know that she is ready for this season. Now, talking about World Athletic last year in Budapest, her performance was so poor, but a lot of people seems to forget that her husband is not to be totally blamed for Elaine Thomson Herah failure for success in 2023 season. I feel like it has to do with her loving the Olympics and not the World Athletic Championship, because I remember when in the Oregon World Athletic 2022 when she won the bronze medal, the reporter says this is the first time Elaine Thomson Herah is winning an individual medal in World Athletic Championship, which means she has been participating in World Athletic even when her husband is not coaching her, and still yet she could not medal in the World Athletic Championship. So definitely, if we are to measure by those statistics, it is safe to say that Elaine Thomson Herah's husband is not to be totally blamed for her not having a successful year in 2023 Budapest World Athletic and the whole entire season of 2023. I feel like it's more like she loving the Olympics more than the World Athletic Championship. And track fans, do not get carried away by what I'm saying, because Elaine Thomson Herah being an Olympic girl and knowing how to ride in the Olympic does not guarantee a total success for her in the Paris Olympic 2024. I'm telling you, if she doesn't tight her belt and work hard for this Paris Olympic, definitely she is going to lose her crown as the double former Olympic champion. The reason is because we have a lot of rising athletes currently that are doing much more and are ready to put more hard work than this top athlete. I'm talking about the likes of Sha'carri Richardson that is ready to take over the world. This girl is damn ready for any Jamaican athlete. We saw what she did in Budapest. She is not here to play, and like she said, Sha'carri made it known that she is not just back, but she is better. And I feel like definitely if Elaine Thomson Herah wants to take over and rule in Paris Olympic 2024, then definitely she has to work so hard and believe in herself. And it's never gonna be easy, because Shelley and Fraser-Pryce will also be there, and there is also her rival from the same country, Sha'carri Jackson, that will also be hoping to get a double medal in the 200 and 100 meter. Remember, she said that earlier this year that she wants to be like no one else. She wants to take over 200 and 100 meter. I'm talking about Sha'carri Jackson from Jamaica. Anyway, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.